Hello friends, welcome to today's video. We'll talk about the Indian stock market today. Today is the 9th July. First we'll start from the Trump. So as we all know, the war has started again. The US military has carried out airstrike in Iran, and also Iran has retaliated. Although there are no fresh tweet from the Trump, but he has posted some of the photographs from the airstrikes. The situation is bad because Trump has said that there is no scope of the negotiation with the Iran. He has mentioned that the deal is almost over and war could last like weeks or months. So it is very dangerous situation for the world and especially for the India because it will directly affect the crude oil prices. In the Indian market, there were some pressure from the El Nino that it will happen and we will receive less rainfall than the average. But the past week had seen a good rainfall in the western belt. But the war situation remained unresolved and it will affect the Indian market. So due to this continuation of the war, we have seen the crude oil has jumped from $70 a barrel to around $77 a barrel. So it's an around 7% increase. So it will reach the Indian market in terms of inflation and rising the consumer goods prices. So ultimately it will affect the Indian stock market as well. The effects will be seen in the coming days. Due to the war, the US dollar has strengthened, and as a result we have seen again that the INR has fallen from 94 level to it's at hovering around 95.38 level. So we have to see what RBI will do to prevent the rupee from further falling. Now let us talk about the Nifty and Bank Nifty performance today. We'll start with the FII and DII activity. In the last week only we talked about the FII have started buying again until the war starts, and FII have again started selling. So it's a difficult situation for the Indian market. Only when we were thinking the market will recover, then suddenly the war has resumed and everything is falling apart. Although Nifty 50 ended at a good note, yesterday it was a very bearish moment, but today it opened gap up actually and closed at 80 points above. This is the sectoral performance. The most gainers were Sun Pharma, Bharti Airtel, Bajaj Finserv, Indigo and Eternal. And the losers were Dr. Reddy, Maruti, ONGC, Infi and TBC. Same is the case with Nifty Bank. It almost closed around 500 points. Almost all the banks were in the positive except the Axis Bank. And the gainers were Canara Bank, Punjab National, IDFC, IndusInd and Union Bank. If you talk about the global markets, the US markets are in green right now. Gift Nifty is also green. It's a good news. We'll see what will happen in the tomorrow's market. Due to the war, the gold is in the bearish range only. We thought the gold will start were showing the sideways movement and we were hoping it will start some bullish movement again, but the war has started again and it has given a trend to go down. Same is the case with silver and Bitcoin as well. So in the coming days, trade cautiously. That's it from my side. Thank you.